So what you doing today, baby? Okay, I guess I'll answer for you. Clearing that mess. But it's time to stop and put our mailbox in. You said till 11 o'clock. It's 11:30.
I said 12, okay? I have 45 more minutes in my excavator.
So how many trees do you think you took down?
Well, I don't really consider those trees because I'm really only pulling the little things out.
Say hi.
No. My tooth in here hurts. I'm not in the mood.
They're living the life. They have it very rough. And he has it very rough. Listening to music.
And what are you doing, Missy? Sitting all day, huh? I didn't even get lunch. Or breakfast like that.
I know, I gotta figure out how to bleep it out now. And before we left, I made homemade baked macaroni and cheese. That's lunch.
Okay.
Bebe, I don't like that.
What?
Right there.
What, that stump that got thrown and stuck in the ground?
No, see how there's like the 4 trees, but then like.
Oh, yeah, well.
I don't like that. Those.
One day. I don't like any of this. I want all this leveled.
I'm nice and relaxing.
Okay, you go run that. I'll go sit over here.
No, because I'll end up ripping out a line or something and getting screamed at. I'm actually tired. I slept really good, but I don't know why I'm tired. This is so funny.
Why are you gonna mess with the little guy?
He usually tries to kick me when I do it when we're laying in bed. He'll do like a rabbit kickback.
He's thinking about biting
you. Yeah, he's not so happy. He's, Ma, stop.
Come on. You always do this with that, Ma.
You want to pet my belly, not my foot. Pet my belly, my belly, my belly. He's so easy to torment. Oh, we'll let you see what a big pile of mess Gary made.
It's not a mess.
It's a mess. Minnie coming to check it out? Is the foreman on duty? So this is where he's been, blah, 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 blah. Where he been working. And making a little bit of a mess. Coming, Mama? So every time we come down, we just try to clear a little bit more each time.